guys, welcome to another YouTube video right here. So today we are making another YouTube video, and what we are currently doing today is that we are analyzing this market, why I enter this trade. This is the trade I took for almost a month from here, September to October, and it's just a day left to a month. So we already know that time or higher time frame is just to know the driving factors of a market. We are already on a bullish market. We can see that everything is quite bullish, and it broke structure here. After it broke structure and inducement take, we find our entry here. We know that there is a possible entry here, and this place becomes our protected low. After becoming our protected low, we undergo series of accumulation, and there is a manipulation, retracement, and what expansion. So we are going to be analyzing this right now. So I will be deleting all the drawings here and start afresh. But before that, let me show you some of the trades that I took. So this is how it all began. GBPNZD, GBPNZD. You can see it, GBPNZD right from here. This is when TP1 hits. This is how it all began. Yes, this is it. This is where we plan to enter. This is the first shot we took. So we are going to be rounding everything up by deleting the whole chart and explain why I get into this chart, into this trade. So right from here, we already know that we are bullish, and we had a break of structure. After this break of structure, what do we notice? The market rallies up and keep rallying up, and what it comes back. After coming back, it's push up again, making this our what inducement, ultimate inducement. This becomes our ultimate inducement, and what this is how I mark my order block, right from this highest point to its low. So this is how I mark it. You already know the higher time frame are for driving force, to understand the driving force in the market. So now after the break of structure, we have this high and this low. After the low, we have an inducement that facilitated the market to push downward. We don't just want to say that okay, the market has taken liquidity with this Doge candle. We don't want to conclude that and be open for sales like this one, this Doge candle. We don't want to conclude that since it has cleared a little bit liquidity, we want to take buys anywhere from here. The reason is because it hasn't mitigated this order block, and we are not going to be like, okay, I have my order block already. Once the market starts in here, I will just place my targets up here and my stop loss right here. No, that's not what we are doing. That's going to give us a small risk to reward ratio. But the main purpose of drawing it this way from this place to this point is that we want to believe that any point from here, any point that it gets here, we are looking for a possible entry. So here we cannot say that it has, but it is ready for a bullish trend because it hasn't mitigated this one. So once this one gets inside this block, but didn't get into it well, we believe that okay, there is still a lot to go about this one, and it didn't break any structure yet. This leg didn't break any structure. We believe that this one is not ready for a buy, but immediately it comes back and took liquidity out. Wow, we know that something is ready to happen, and we have a break of structure here right here. We already know that we are heading for a buy. So if we had to take any entry, we believe that this place is our protected low. We don't expect the market to go lower than here. So after that, we have a what? There will be another block right here on lower time frame, maybe the 4 hour time frame or what? Or our 1 hour time frame. So after that, we had a break of structure, then the market begins to what? Consolidate. Let's talk more a bit on this consolidation. This consolidation started all the way from here to here, and it is called our accumulation. The market accumulated right here, and boom, it pushed out. After pushing out, it retraced a little bit and pushed up again, but we know that the market is still coming down into this accumulation box again because of our inducement number one, and because of a fueling energy. We don't expect the market to just start rallying up like that. But majorly the inducement gave us the assurance that the market is coming down here as well, and as well the market will always trade down into the accumulation before it starts what? Going higher. So after that, let's just get into this place and see what happened. Let's go down to our what? 4 hour time frame. This is our what? This is our 4 hour time frame. 4 hours time frame. What can we see right here? Starting from this place, the market what? Keep breaking structure, keep breaking structure, and the last break of structure, the last break of structure with with a prominent break of structure, I mean to say, is our inducement. Inducement can be called inducement only if it has what? Broken structure. That is a valid one, a solid break of structure. We can see that there is a good break of structure right here. After it broke structure, then we expect that the market trace down into this place. So let's draw it the other block as usual from the top to the low. Don't forget that we are not what? We are not placing the sell buy limit here and stop stop loss under it. We are just waiting for a trade setup inside this inside this range. Yeah, so after all these scenarios, the market was traded down. So here, right from here, before I took a sell entry to the what? To this low. So right from here, I see that there is a what? A bearish closure under this inducement. After the bearish closure, and I expected the market to get into the other block that is right here. After the market got into it, we get into the trade from here, that is somewhere around there, and it moved a little bit to our stop loss, so it didn't trigger us right. So then I traded down to this place. So now I'm ready for what? For long. After I have traded down to this place, I am knowing that I believe that all my trade setup, that is buy setups, is in this whole other block that I drew earlier. But how do I know that the market is ready for me to go higher? How do I believe that? The first thing that instigated that conscious is that is this equal lows. This equal lows, this equal lows, when it was taken out, oh, I was like, wow, this is nice. After taking it out, immediately I get down to my lower time frame and what look for possible entry. So on my lower time frame 1 hour charts, 1 hour charts, lower time frame 1 hour charts, we find out that so after it broke a little bit of structure right here. It broke structure. I waited for this structure break. I am a little bit aggressive on this trade and I entered somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, yes, I entered. This is where I plan to get into a long position. And one thing that I believe is that I'm not setting this whole place for my stop loss. I believe that this place is not going to be traded into anymore because it has sweat a liquidity that is an equal low that will facilitate, that will fuel a bullish trend. So after that, I didn't wait anymore for this break. Some people will wait for this break before they consider any buy. They will wait for this break before they consider any buys. But I already know that the market has begun its own doings, and then boom, everything begins to what keep getting higher and higher. This is how I managed to take the trade. I hop in on other blocks. I get into trades on other block. Looked for fuelings. After that, if there is break of structure, no, I didn't take this one. If there is break of structure, look for other block. Getting fair value gap, getting again and again. And I do target this place as my first take profits. This was my first target. This is it. And to this one right here, this is where I target next. And before this one, before the last one, before this one, because this is the run on liquidity. Once the market knows that, once the market begins to give a bullish momentum, its assignment is to just keep moving higher and higher. So from here I entered all the way down here. My stop loss just below it. First TP was what? How many risk to reward? 6. Second one was 10, and the last one 14. And the OPs then that I calculated was like was it not 690 something, 66 stuff. Let's just check it. Okay, it is 635. Yes, it was 635. I still had the opportunity to take some others entries. Although there were some losing trades along the wrong line, but the current one assures that everything is going to, it's just going to keep working. Although most of the trade that I take here is they are what based on speculation. I just like to speculate what the market is going to do. The moment the I took this one, the moment I took this one, and to come back in the next just few hours and it TP, I was very excited. This is what I targeted. I was excited. I was excited. Like, wow, I made it. Or a month straight. That is just to speculate something like this is not really as usual to all traders. Most of the time we'll be like, okay, once it has changed structure, after it changed structure, then inducement, order block, bam bam, they are expecting it to come that here. That's why the basic knowledge of market structure is very important. So I will be sharing more on market structure, and I believe it will be a very long way to help. I could have done a better video for this, but I don't know what was wrong. I made this video for like 3 times. This is the 4th time. So I just want to make sure that I get it done and I publish it for you guys to see. And the main purpose of this video is to just educate and help young trader like me as well. So here there is accumulation, expansion, accumulation, manipulation. After the manipulation, there is the chart will always come back into the what, into the accumulation. But before the expansion, the manipulation, it will always give a sign. It will always give a a a, a point for market to come back to. It will give a reason, and this is the reason right here. This is the reason for the market to come back and trade back into it. So this will this will be the end of the what, of the video, and I want you to subscribe for more, follow for more, and hit the like button if you find this video interesting. Here is the recap once again. From here to the sell, from the sell, this is what it looks like, and where I plan to take my buy. And here as well, how it kept going. Everything was real. It was on my Instagram channel before it was blocked. So this will be the end of the video. So thanks guys, much love.